Hi everybody, welcome back. It is time to unbag the July FaceTory Forever Fresh Kit. FaceTory is a mask subscription service. It's definitely my favorite subscription to get each month. I truly do love it. I love sheet masks. I love pampering myself. I love how they package everything. It's just phenomenal. Down below in the description box, I will go ahead and leave a link for you to get to FaceTory and show you also the different subscriptions that you can subscribe to. But this is the Forever Fresh Kit, so we'll get into that. So each month, what I always like to do is start off with telling you what I got used up last month and what I thought about them, and then we'll move on to what's in this month's. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any of my packaging. I had it all somewhere and I don't know where I put it or if I threw it away by accident. It is very possible that I did that. So I will insert some pictures here for you so that you can see the packaging I'm talking about. So we'll start off first off with the Factor mask. This was a glow sponge mask, and that really intrigued me because I didn't understand sponge. It was just like your normal typical sheet mask, but I do feel the way that it was woven that it really did hold on to the liquid a lot more. So it kind of does have that spongy effect to it. But anyway, this one was supposed to help soothe, hydrate, and brighten your skin. I did find it to be very soothing, very hydrating. You know, my skin this time of year gets really dry because I spend the majority of my time in my pool. So between the sun and the chlorine, I dry out really bad. This kept me really hydrated. Felt really good. It was real refreshing and I definitely enjoyed it. Next up was the SOS Save Our Skin mask that came in that adorable freaking superhero packaging. This one also claimed to be very moisturizing. It contained royal jelly and aloe, and I felt that it was super hydrating, but didn't leave any type of sticky, tacky residue-ness. It had just the right amount of serum, which I always love. This one, of course, was from FaceTory's in-house brand, and they do a really good job. I've loved all of their masks. I think they're way up here on par. Well worth any value. So I would definitely recommend that one, especially if you're parched and sunburned. And I've been kind of parched and sunburned. I don't look as sunburned under the lights and with makeup on, but I take this off and I am just cheetah printed up with melasma, and I've got on and off again sunburn going in spots, and that is just because I'm really bad about getting out and reapplying sunscreen. I do as I say, not as I do, guys, because that's just honestly the truth. So those are the two masks I got used from last month. So let's open up and see what's in here this month. And as always, they included another extremely cute little postcard. Oh, this one said, "You had me at aloha." Oh, that is so stinking cute. Like I said, I've got a couple of these now. I've been kind of stockpiling them over here, so I think I'm gonna definitely use those to just send a happy little note to people. I think that's a cute idea. Then of course we have our card in here, which is going to give you descriptions on the masks as well as the price. I never say the price or tell you guys anything about the price, but I always have it scrolled on the bottom of the screen, but it does include the actual retail price for each of the masks on the card as well. So let's get into it. So first one we have here is coming to us from Claire, and this is the cocktail blue Hawaii mask, and that's so cute. It's got like a little cocktail on it, a little blue Hawaii. How very cute. Made to provide exhausted skin with the nourishment it needs, this hydrating and calming sheet mask will make your skin feel like you're on a relaxing vacation. Next one we have coming up here, this is from Elma Lou, and this is the Day Nature Mask Energizing Day. Has a little thing on here. It says repairing, blemish, water drop cooling, and AC controls. A brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for the hot summer days. Next up here, oh, this is cute. This is the Real Mango Essence Mask, and this one comes from Farm Stay. Brighten up your complexion with this mango sheet mask. It's the perfect mask for a boost of hydration to help refresh your skin. And last but not least, we have this one here. This comes to us from MediHeal. This is the NMF Hydrating Mask. Is your skin tired after a long day of strolling along the park and basking in the sun? This sheet mask provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy. And so that is everything that came in Facetory this month with our little You Had Me at Aloha theme. So cute. Really excited to try this blue cocktail, or this cocktail blue Hawaii mask, just because it's got a cocktail on it. I mean, let's just be honest there. That's what's got me going. This Day Nature mask, the Energizing Day with the cooler cherry. I will have the correct pronunciation by the next video. But this looks really intriguing, and I like that too, that it has like a cooling effect to it. That's going to be really nice when I come in after being out in the pool all day. Love something with anything with fruit extract in it. That's going to have a citric acid in it or something like that. It's always so good for exfoliating, especially when my melasma is on 10. I need all the extra exfoliating I can get. And I really like this one because it says it's got natural moisturizing factors, which I appreciate so much. The moisturizer I uses natural moisturizing factors as opposed to kind of like your cream potions that are used for moisturizing. And this one also says that it hydrates and tightens, so I'm going to be really excited to give this one a go. Once again, I of course want to thank you as always for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribe to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.